Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, ready to go. We have headlight switches completely wired. This is an extra for the moment, depending on what options we need to give to the car. We're waiting on the bulbs before I put these in, so I'm not taking any chances until I have all my parts here to put them in, and those will be done for all of our dash lights. We have the other two for gauges and turn signals. So that is all taken care of and wired. And what? Look. Yeah, baby. High beam, low beam, in and on and wired. So now we're going to finish the stereo tomorrow, as today's my early day, so I can do my running around that I need to get done and taken care of for me. And we're going to start sheathing everything so that it will look respectable and nice, and we can start getting all of that taken care of. I just had to do some more cleanup and wire touch up under the hood so that we could verify everything. So I did a little bit of repatch here to keep everything nice and tight because it was kind of coming undone and I just didn't like it. A fan, we're waiting on the controller so that we can get that taken care of. I did find the plug, so we're really happy about that. So that'll take care of that, and that's taken care of. We're waiting on a few more parts to get everything labeled and ready to go. And I need to make, still, I just haven't had the time, I want to do a connection here.
Oh, you know what I'll do?
Huh?
I'll make a aluminum shroud, kind of like the race car has.
Well, this can be pulled forward.
Yes.
So my
We'll
thought was I wanted to tap into underneath here with the screw because it does perfect. And if we tighten it up, it'll be good. But I can't get these free, so...
We need to help duct air to it, too.
Sure, of course. Not a problem. Well, we have the other parts that were up front.
Yes.
That still belong, that I have them hidden so that they don't get damaged out of the way. Yep, for the sides to help keep everything in. Yes, correct. Yes, exactly. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Like I said, short video, and you're back up to date on everything. All right, thanks, guys. See ya.